Today is July 1st, and at this time of the year, fruits are ready to be enjoyed. And I have some very fresh cherry here. So I'm going to remove some of these pits and put it on top of our oatmeal for breakfast for July 1st. And to keep social distance, and my husband and I decided to stay at home, and we can also celebrate today. And here also I like to show you guys how to simply remove pits from a fresh cherry. And I use a chopstick here, and I take these stems off and load it down this direction. Then I use this chopstick to push the pit out. I actually bought a tool from Amazon last year. It's a very cute tool, quite efficient to remove fresh cherry pit. But we are now relocated, so I couldn't find that. So I'm using this old method. And if you just have a little wood stick or chopsticks, and you can also do it. I don't know if you see it. Maybe I move this away so you can see the pits pushed out from the fresh cherry and drop into this glassware here. Simple DIY. Hey, could be here. See, the second time I threw it into the other side. Does that happen to you? Okay. This time it went to the correct container. I'm going to put this on top of the oatmeal. I like to use oatmeal as breakfast. Oatmeal is a good food source that contains higher resistant starch, and it helps to control our weight and also give give us a good gut health and good for bowel movement. And overall, oatmeal, fresh cherry, good breakfast food. I need a few more. Now, resistant starch, it's not really a new concept, but it has been, I guess the science has done a lot of work on that, telling us that how the resistant starch working in our body. I think it's very easy to find this information. Just Google it, and people are more and more realize that the resistant starch is very good starch for our health, especially gut health. I think that's enough for a oatmeal breakfast. Alright, this is if you do not have a cherry pits too, then use this simple method to get some pits out, and then you still have a whole beautiful decoration of cherry on top of your oatmeal. I like to use old-fashioned oatmeal. Give it a good cook, and you can taste the nice structure, stickiness of the oatmeal. And I put this fresh cherry on top. Add about a tablespoon or a teaspoon, but I don't like my oatmeal to be too sweet. So that's about a teaspoon of honey. Then pour some milk on top. I like to have more milk in my oatmeal, so I add it as I enjoy the oatmeal. Baby, our oatmeal breakfast is ready. Oatmeal has been a regular food in my diet, and I have been keeping my body weight pretty much consistent for years and years. And so this is a very good healthy recipe. And to keep our body healthy, and one important thing is you eat a variety of food, and you consistently use them. Now, oatmeal as a breakfast, that is one food that if you keep regularly use it, you will see the benefit for your health. And so I really like this recipe. And I of course use a different type of fresh fruits, especially during this time of the year. And the fruits are ready, and they are very tasty, and their nutrients are more retained at this time of the year. So take care of yourself and enjoy healthy food. And so stay at home and make yourself a bowl of tasty oatmeal for a July 1st breakfast. And it's not bad at all, right? All right. Happy eating. Happy holidays. Really, really good.